sideways. Look at the rotation.
Yeah, we gotta give him.
We're gonna keep going straight.
Go, 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 go!
Yeah, let's follow it, guys.
Get in.
Everybody in! Everybody in! Yep. Whoa, is that intense? Look at that. Go, come on, it's crossing the road right in front of us here. Debris! Debris!
It's coming up. That whole thing's coming up.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You're fine, Ricky.
You're fine.
Keep going. Why is this guy stopping?
That's it. Watch that car. Watch that car.
Go, Ricky. Oh, I got a glass hole in my sneaker. Oh,
I can feel shards hitting me. Okay, watch out for the storm chaser.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
go, 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 go.
Give him the honk. Somebody knows we're going by 3.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh. Whoa, it's gonna take out. Okay, stop here, don't you think?
Yeah. Whoa, look at that.
No, we're gonna get into the trees here. Should we stop
That's all right.
here?
No, 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 keep going. We gotta get up close to this thing.
Yeah, look at it. Last road down the stairs. No, está ya como por la secundaria, se ve cerca por lo grande. Está levantando todo lo de la fresa. Ve ahí arriba cómo está. Ve ahí arriba, en el cielo. Cállate, Wanda. Por eso es tanta tierra, porque está allá en las tierras que están por la secundaria. Ve a dónde van los plásticos. Ve dónde van los plásticos ya. Véntese. Pero ve allá arriba, ya está donde está llegando la tierra, ve. No, el aire sigue en friega. Nomás que ya no hay polvo que levantar. Ve los plásticos.
It's going to be right there at the bend where it comes across. If the
No! Another funnel right behind us! 2 on the ground! 2 on the ground!
Oh yeah. Whoa, multi-vortex! Multi-vortex!
Like I just gotta get good video.
No, for sure. My fault.
I just can only film so far to the left, you know.
Well, I hope everybody's alright.
Slow down, Ricky.
Yep. Slower, faster.
Slower, slower, slower. When you get to a gap where there's no trees, you slow right down.
Okay, we're gonna run into trees, but then we're gonna go up on that side of the valley.
Okay.
Let's rock.
Got a little hill up ahead.
Okay. Right up to that curve. Go right up to that curve.
Yeah. Oh yeah, horizontal vortex.
Ricky, pull.
Yeah,
Stop.
oh,
Stop.
like-
Stop. 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 Stop.
Oh.
Getting out of the car.
Yep.
That was a warning.
That was close.
Yeah, I saw a flash, man.
I think this is the long-term tornadoes we were looking for, eh?
Pretty sure we're along this too.
There it is.
2 cars behind. He is the 3rd car behind. You want to go east? We can do it now.
Yeah.
Let's do it now, guys.
We do, yeah,
Yep.
we do.